Welcome to the Land House YouTube channel. I'm Seth. I'm standing here on my parents' brand new back porch. We just had a snowstorm and a lot of snow blew in through their large screen windows and got onto all of my mom's nice furniture in here. So in this video, I am cutting some clear vinyl, putting some grommets in, and then getting it attached to this screen window to hopefully prevent that snow from blowing in. So stay tuned to see how I do this. Hopefully a good home improvement for keeping snow off of my mom's things. It may be a bit hard to see, but we've already got the first two windows done. We can get a little closer here and you can see what that looks like. And so we're going to step over here to this one next, use the grommet tool and get this vinyl over this window. This vinyl came in sheets of 54 inches and it will work quite well here. It gives me a little over an inch on each side of this way. And then if I find my height here, I've got 53 and a half. So I can basically just cut this at 54 by 54 and it will be good.
I've laid out the vinyl on the floor and I'm using a tape measure to mark out 54 inches. And I've got a Sharpie so that I can just make a mark to know where my 54-inch mark is on both sides. Then I'm coming back here with the same marker and I am connecting those two lines so that I am able to cut this vinyl at pretty close to a square. I'm not the most accurate. And then once I have that done, I'm going to use my mom's good kitchen scissors to cut this. It's actually some Cutco scissors, which are really high quality scissors. Then I'm going to measure 1 inch out from the edge, and that's where I'm going to be placing my grommet. Put the first washer on the top and then use the actual grommet piece on the bottom. I use the tool here to crimp this, and luckily it is strong enough to punch through the vinyl and then bend over the metal piece to make sure that grommet is on there nice and tight. I found that 1 inch from the edge is enough to support this vinyl, and I'm doing 6 holes total, which hopefully is enough to prevent any damage from wind. The screen on the outside of the windows also reduces the wind to hopefully keep this thing from blowing away. So I'm just pre-drilling a hole into the side of my parents' porch and then using a 1.5 inch Torx head screw to install. I was able to find some gray ones and it pretty much blends in with the rest of the color of the porch, so looks nice. And luckily these holes are small enough that in the summertime, whenever we remove these vinyl window covers, it will be pretty obscure and not look bad. So definitely was going for that whenever I was designing this right here. Like I said, I did 6 different holes, so I've got 3 on each side. I believe you could do another one on the top and bottom if you felt like the wind was going to be an issue. But here I am just wrapping up the rest of this one, and you can see in the back I've got 2 more to go.
I just completed that panel, and as you can see, it is on there pretty good. The kids got some glitter and footprints, but I think it's going to be all right. Now, if you have a lot of wind in your area, you could easily put several more of those grommets, and we may end up doing that here as well. But hopefully, just having these 6 in here will be sufficient to keep this from blowing around in the wind. I like it so far. It's already a lot less chilly out here having this over the windows. Now, I'll have a link in the description down below to where I purchased this. We've got 5 windows and I purchased 7 yards, and with the crimping tool was right at $70 for all of it. First of all, we were considering using some plexiglass, and that would have been quite expensive. But this seems to be a very good option for covering windows. Restaurants use it all the time, so I figured why not here at the house. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below if you have some good helpful tips on improving this. And hopefully I'll leave a clip here at the end of a snowstorm so you can see how well these are or are not working. Supposed to get a foot here in the next couple of days. I'm Seth with Land House, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Over the course of 2 days, we got 14 inches of snow, and luckily, even though it was blowing pretty hard, no snow made it through the screen or the vinyl, so the furniture is safe. It's a happy mom.